Hi there, welcome back. I know that in the last class I said we're going to talk about overflow state and threading text, but please let's just finish this exercise and then we'll start threading text and overflow, okay? So the only thing you have to do here to finish the example that we started is add the text in the bottom. I'm just going to click here, this text line, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and copy, and there will be two of them. And then I'm going to move one of them to the bottom and write the text that I want. So and there you go. Now that you have learned how to use character and paragraph, you can change the character, the fonts, the way you want it. One thing that I would recommend you to do is to use the selection tool, select this text area, and then change it to justified left. It will look much better. Also, you can increase this text area box a little bit more if you want. In this way, the spaces between the words won't be so big. Or you could also reduce the size of this part of the text. But just remember one thing, this is not a rectangle, okay? When we create it in a way that it will follow the circle. So if I move again, you will see that this shape has an angle here. I'm going to press Ctrl Z. So if you just increase this shape like this, like a regular rectangle, look at the shape. This won't work, okay? So if you want to change part of the shape, you have to remember what we have seen on earlier classes. On earlier classes, I taught you how to use the direct selection tool, which is this one, the white arrow, remember? With the white arrow, you can move just a specific numbers of anchors. In this case, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 anchors, but you only want to move these two. So the best thing to do is, in this case, select only 2 anchors and move it a little bit more, holding Shift. And there you go. Remember what you have learned for characters and for paragraphs. You are allowed to use this on your work if you want, as long as you just don't use my image, okay? I've saved a file for my students called Solved Live Instagram. They are inside your resource file, Solved Live Instagram, and you can use it just the way you want. Change the font, change the words. The only thing that you won't be able to change here is the name live, is this one, because we use a technique called create outlines. And when you do that, you can't change the words anymore. That's why you have to keep always a copy when you do that. All right, so that's it. We finished this example. I hope you enjoyed it. On the next class, we're going to start overflow state and threading text. Okay, I'll see you on the next class.